Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want a cleaner look and less eye strain while browsing, switching to dark mode in the Brave browser is a great choice. In this full guide, I'll show you how to enable dark mode step by step in 2026. First, open Brave and click the menu icon in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Next, scroll down and click on Appearance. This is where theme settings are located. Now find the theme option and select Dark. This instantly switches your browser interface to dark mode. You can also choose Use System Theme, which automatically matches your Windows dark mode settings. Brave also has a feature that forces dark mode on websites. This makes even bright sites easier on your eyes. Check your new tab page. Some settings let you make it darker or match your theme automatically. If the theme doesn't apply instantly, restart Brave. Yeah, that usually fixes it. For full consistency, enable dark mode in Windows settings too. This helps Brave follow system styling. Now open a few websites and check how everything looks. You should see a smoother, darker interface. If you want, you can tweak contrast or switch back anytime. It's fully flexible, and that's it. Dark mode in Brave makes browsing easier on the eyes and much more comfortable at night.